Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you a technique to remove any annoying flicker that you might get in your DaVinci Resolve videos. Now the good news is that this technique is available if you have the free edition. Okay, so I've got a couple of clips here that I've taken on my travels, and this clip here in particular, you notice there's quite a lot of flicker in these old lamps, both on this clip and also the clip here, and it's really quite distracting. So what we need to do is we can take a copy of the clip and put it on a new video track. So let's just copy this. I'm just going to paste it and then drop it on top of the existing video clip. And I'm going to do this another time, so 3 times altogether. And now with your 3 clips on top of each other, what we're going to do is going to offset each of the 2 copy clips by 1 frame. Now you can do this by making sure you select the one just above the original, press the full stop button on your keyboard, and that should shift it by 1 frame. Incidentally, if you want to do the nudge the clip the other way, you press comma. So comma and full stop nudges the clip back and forward by 1 frame. Now the clip above nudged by 2 frames, so it's 1 frame offset of the one below. Now all we need to do is on the second clip, on the second copy, we're going to change the opacity to 66%. And on the very top copy, we're going to change the opacity to 33%. And now if you play the clip, our flicker is very much reduced, almost invisible. Now if you want to make it one step further, you can do it 4 times. So let me just do that. So we're going to copy the clip, put it at the top, nudge it by 1 frame, and then we're going to change the actual percentages to 75% for the first copy, 50% for the second copy, and 25% for the third copy. And now if you play the clip, notice we almost have no flicker whatsoever. Now there is one minor disadvantage in this technique in that there is a very slight degradation of the sharpness of the footage compared to the original. And that's because of course there is opacity and each thing is moved by 1 frame. Now you can go into the color tab and actually sharpen the footage. So we can do that, go color tab, click on where the icon which has a little sort of teardrop I suppose and a triangle, and just drag the radius down maybe to maybe 45 or something, and that's just going to compensate and bring the sharpness back to something a little bit more normal. Now I find that's a very effective technique for being able to reduce the flicker on any footage. Hope it's useful guys, and don't forget of course to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on DaVinci Resolve. Take care and see you soon.